So hello everyone, this is the package from Amazon. It came from USA. It's supposed to be a Honda CBR250 oil filter, alright, because I couldn't get it anywhere in here in Gangtok, Sikkim. So this is my package. Oh, here. K&N, and I just hope it's the size of a Honda CBR250, and bang on, this is it. Yay, very happy with Amazon. I couldn't get it anywhere else over here in the stores, not even in the only showroom we have here in Gangtok. He doesn't have the oil filter, so I don't know how many times I can use this. I'll have to see it online, I guess. So guys, very happy. Thanks Amazon, and thank you guys from the US.